bacterial structure, shape. Along with the other properties, shape is used to identify the bacteria. It is determined by the mechanism of the cell wall assembly. The first one we use is the bacterial shape, usually can be determined with the appropriate strain under light microscope. Their types are drum, which we can call it as a coccus, and the rod-like is a bacillus, and the spiral cocci, and the bacilli often. Cocci and the bacilli often grow in the doublets. They are called the diplococci. If they are in chains, they are called streptococci. Cocci that can grow in the clusters are called as staphylococcus. While speaking about the fourth point is, some bacterial species are pleomorphic, such as bacterioids, and the antibiotics that affect the cell wall biosynthesis is called penicillin may alter the bacteria shape. So these are the contents that we know about the shape of the bacteria, and next one is the nucleus. In bacteria, the nucleus is generally called the nucleoid or the nuclear body. The bacterial nucleus is not surrounded by the nuclear membrane, nor does it contain the mitotic apparatus. In the composition, the nucleus consists of polyamine and the magnesium ion bound to the negatively charged circular supercoiled double-stranded DNA, small amount of the RNA, and the RNA polymerase here is present with other proteins. These are the contents of the nucleus. Speaking about the cytoplasm, bacterial cytoplasm contains the ribosome and the various types of the nutritional storage canals. It contains no organelles. Bacterial cytoplasm contains no organelles. They have the ribosome. The bacterial ribosome contains the proteins and the RNA that differ from those of the eukaryotic counterparts. And the type of the bacterial ribosomes, they have the sedimentation coefficient of 70S and are composed of 30S and the 50S subunits. They also contain 16S, 23S and the 5S respectively. Ribosomes engaged in the protein synthesis are the membrane bounded. Many antibiotics target ribosomes, inhibiting the protein biosynthesis. Some antibiotics selectively target the 70S ribosome. They are erythromycin, but not the 80S ribosomes. Here we can see about the cell membrane or the cytoplasmic membrane. Their structure is a typical phospholipid bilayer that contains the following constituents. One is cytochromes and the enzymes. These are involved in the electron transport chain and the oxidative phosphorylation. Carrier lipids, enzymes and the penicillin binding proteins are involved in the cell wall biosynthesis. The enzymes involved in phospholipid synthesis and the DNA replication in the tumor receptors. The cell wall, the phospholipid membrane function is they have selective permeability and the active transport facilitated by the membrane bound permeases. They help in the binding proteins and the various transport system. They set the action of the certain antibiotics such as polymyxin. Here, the mesosomes is also one of the part of a bacterial constituents. Mesosomes, they are the controversial structure that are convoluted refrigerations of the plasma membrane. Septal mesosome, they occur at the septum crosswalk. Lateral mesosome, they are non-septal. Their function is to participate in the DNA replication, cell division and the secretion. Now one more part of the bacteria is plasmid. They are the small circular non-chromosomal double-stranded DNA molecule that are capable of cell replication. They are most frequently in the extra chromosomal but may become integrated into the bacterial DNA. Their function, they contain the genes that confer the protective properties such as antibiotic resistance. They help in the virulence factors. They have their own transmissibility to the other bacteria. One more component for the bacteria is transposons. They are the small pieces of a DNA that grow between the DNA of a bacteria and the plasmid. They do not self-replicate. Their function is code for the antibiotic resistance enzymes and the metabolic enzymes or the toxin. They help in the code formation. They may alter the expression of the neighboring genes or cause a mutation to genes into which they are inserted. And the last one is the cell envelope structure. The cell envelope is composed of the macromolecular layer that surround the bacterium. It includes a cell membrane in the peptidoglycan layer except for the mycoplasma, the outer membrane layer in the gram-negative bacteria, a capsule, a glycocalyx layer, or both. Antigens subsequently induce a specific antibody response. Cell wall. The cell wall refers to the portion of the cell envelope that is external to the cytoplasm and internal to the capsule of the glycocalyx. It confers the osmotic protection and the gram-staining characteristics. In the gram-positive bacteria, it is composed of the peptidoglycan, TFK and the teichoic acids, polysaccharides. In gram-negative bacteria, it is composed of peptidoglycan lipoprotein and outer phospholipid membrane that contains the lipopolysaccharides. Gram-positive cell envelope. The capsule or the polysaccharides inhibits the phagocytic intake in the non-immune individual immunogenic. They are not made by all bacteria or surface proteins. Example, streptopyogens, M protein virulence factors such as plasminogens. The cell wall or the peptidoglycan, cytoplasmic membrane. These are the phospholipid bilayer with the protein peptidoglycan. This is like a net-like membrane against the folds, that is present in the cytoplasm. They help in the active transport. They have the matrix for many enzymatic processes like respiration and the cell wall synthesis. Penicillin binding proteins, they are the transpeptides and the carboxytransferases, which cross-link the components of the membrane. Teichoic acids, they are found only in the gram-positive cells. They envelope these gram-positive cells envelope showing the structures and describing the chemistry and the functions. Gram-negative cell envelope, O antigen, polysaccharides immunogenic, lipid A, which is endotoxin, which is also known as a lipopolysaccharide. This is a structural component of the gram-negative outer membrane. The lipid A component, when released from dying the gram-negative cells, triggers the symptoms of the gram-negative shock. Inner membrane, peptidoglycan periplasm, outer membrane, OMP, Corian capsule. These are the polysaccharides that inhibits the phagocytic uptake in the non-immune individual immunogenic, not made by all bacteria. Outer membrane, they are hydrophobic phospholipid bilayer with a protein extra layer. There is a periplasmic space. Outer membrane proteins include the porins, channels restricting the flow of the aqueous material, both out and in by the cells, and the cells and the immunogens, etc. While speaking of the periplasmic space, the space between the two membranes is the peptidoglycan. Inner membrane or the phospholipid bilayer with the proteins. Peptidoglycan gives shape to the cell envelope. This protecting help brings the osmotic flow.